Now the 36th question is integral of x plus 1 into x plus log x the whole square divided by x. So if you observe this, you have 1 by x and you also have log x, but we cannot take log x is equal to t and proceed because we don't know what to do with this x plus 1, right? So for that what we can do is integral of this x plus 1 by x is there, no? Split this x2 each term in x plus 1. So you will have 1 plus 1 by x, correct? Because x by x is 1, 1 by x is 1 by x only. Into you have x plus log x the whole square times dx. So I hope it is clear. Having said this, if you observe 1 plus 1 by x can be the output of differentiating x plus log x, right? Hence, what we need to do in this problem is we will put x plus log x is equal to t, which implies 1 plus 1 by x times dx by dt is equal to 1. So, what is 1 plus 1 by x times dx? It is dt. So, 1 plus 1 by x times dx is equal to dt. So, 1 plus 1 by x times dx can be replaced with dt and x plus log x can be replaced with t. So, the whole question gets converted to integral of t square times dt. So, the final answer would be t cube divided by 3 plus c, or t is nothing but x plus log x. So, it will be x plus log x the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. So, this would be the final answer.